Here at PixelFLEX, we do cool stuff. That's exactly why we designed the PixelFLEX Partner Program. When you join, you're not just another reseller. You're a real partner, working alongside a team that's focused on great design, clear communication, and exceptional project outcomes. As a partner, here's what you unlock. A standard 20% discount on all PixelFLEX products, strategic pricing support when you need it, and an annual rebate structure that can return up to 3% credit or cash right back to you. And whether an opportunity starts with you or comes from the PixelFLEX team, you get rebate credit. Partner-originated projects count 100%. Vendor-originated count 50%. It's still designed to keep things fair and reward your contribution. You'll also get access to some incredibly powerful tools, like the PixelFLEX Configurator for fast pricing and system design, showroom access for client demos, co-branded marketing assets, quarterly price lists, and product previews, as well as dedicated support channels. And for long lead or phase projects, you've even got flexible payment options and a price lock program to help you plan with confidence. At the end of the day, the PixelFLEX Partner Program isn't just about discounts or rebates. It's about building a long-term relationship where everyone wins. Shared success, shared growth, shared opportunity. If you're ready to elevate what's possible, let's build it together here at PixelFLEX.